Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Discover how innovative agricultural machines are transforming farming efficiency. Stay tuned. The spacer is an agricultural tool used to create proper spacing between plants during sowing. It helps ensure uniform seed placement, promoting healthy growth and improving crop yields. By adjusting the spacing between rows or plants, the spacer ensures optimal use of soil, water, and sunlight, leading to better crop productivity and efficient farming. The rockhead is a powerful agricultural machine designed to break and crush large rocks in fields. It helps prepare the land for planting by clearing obstacles that could hinder plowing or seeding. With its heavy-duty design, the rockhead ensures smoother soil preparation, improving crop growth by allowing better root penetration and easier access to nutrients. The XXL Manure Mixer is an agricultural machine designed to efficiently mix large quantities of manure. It helps evenly distribute organic matter, improving soil quality for farming. By thoroughly blending manure with soil or compost, it ensures optimal nutrient release, promoting healthier crops. The mixer reduces labor and time required for manual mixing, increasing overall farming efficiency. The HAM H25i is a compact, high-performance roller used for soil compaction in agriculture. It helps ensure a firm foundation for crop planting by compressing soil, improving seedbed quality, and enhancing water retention. This machine is ideal for small to medium-sized farms, ensuring efficient soil preparation for better crop growth and optimized land use. The Mency Muck Model M545 is a versatile, all-terrain agricultural machine designed for difficult and uneven landscapes. It features a hydraulic system and an extendable arm that allows it to lift, move, and distribute materials like manure or soil with precision. Ideal for farms with challenging terrains, it enhances productivity by improving handling and efficiency in various farming tasks. The concrete machine in agriculture is typically used for mixing and spreading concrete in agricultural construction projects, such as building silos, barns, or farm structures. It ensures the proper consistency and uniformity of the mixture, making it easier to pour and shape. By using this machine, farmers can efficiently complete construction tasks, ensuring strong, durable structures for their operations. The Soil King Extreme is a heavy-duty land leveling machine designed for precision soil preparation. It efficiently levels and compacts soil, improving water distribution and optimizing crop growth. Ideal for large agricultural fields, it enhances soil quality and ensures better seedbed conditions. The Soil King Extreme increases efficiency in land management, providing a smooth and even surface for planting. The HS57 manhole saw is a powerful machine designed for cutting through concrete and asphalt around manholes. It features a circular saw blade that efficiently cuts through tough surfaces, enabling easy access for repairs or maintenance. Ideal for infrastructure work, this saw helps workers quickly and accurately create clean cuts, reducing labor time and improving job efficiency. The Bigfoot 5 is a versatile, all-terrain agricultural machine designed for heavy-duty tasks. It is commonly used for moving and handling large volumes of materials like soil, manure, or debris. With its robust wheels and hydraulic system, the Bigfoot 5 can navigate rough terrains, making it ideal for improving efficiency in farms with challenging ground conditions and increasing productivity. The Palfinger Crawler Crane is an advanced, all-terrain crane used in agriculture for lifting and moving heavy materials in difficult landscapes. Its crawler tracks provide excellent stability and mobility over uneven ground, making it ideal for tasks such as loading, unloading, and transporting large equipment or materials. This crane improves efficiency and safety in farm infrastructure projects and heavy lifting tasks. The Lever LTM 1650-8.1 is a powerful mobile crane used in agriculture for heavy lifting and material handling. It features a robust design with an 8-axle configuration for stability and mobility on rough terrain. Ideal for transporting large equipment, it can lift heavy loads, making it essential for construction, infrastructure, and other heavy-duty tasks on farms and agricultural sites. The hammer side loader with advanced chassis is a highly efficient machine used for loading and unloading heavy containers in agriculture. Its advanced chassis provides stability and flexibility, enabling smooth side loading operations, improving productivity, and reducing manual labor on farms. Soil Solutions is a range of agricultural machines designed to improve soil quality and structure. These machines are used for tasks like soil stabilization, compaction, and moisture management. By enhancing soil health, they promote better root growth, improve water retention, and optimize nutrient availability, leading to healthier crops and increased farm productivity. The Pocket Bucket Mini Loader is a compact and versatile agricultural machine designed for handling small to medium-sized loads. It's ideal for tasks like moving soil, manure, or debris in tight spaces. With its small size and powerful hydraulics, it offers excellent maneuverability and efficiency, making it perfect for smaller farms or areas with limited access. The MVF5 is a versatile, high-performance farm vehicle used for soil cultivation and land preparation. With its adjustable settings, it efficiently handles tasks like plowing, tilling, and leveling, ensuring optimal soil conditions for planting and improving crop yield. The MC815 is a powerful agricultural machine designed for land preparation and maintenance. It is primarily used for tasks like tilling, plowing, and cultivating soil, ensuring optimal conditions for crop growth. With its durable build and efficient operation, the MC815 enhances soil aeration and structure, promoting better root development and improving overall crop yield on farm. The Senebogen Model 825E is a versatile material handler used in agriculture for lifting, moving, and sorting heavy materials like logs, feed, or containers. With its powerful hydraulics and robust design, it provides exceptional stability and reach, making it ideal for farms and agricultural sites. Its fuel efficiency and durability enhance productivity and reduce operational costs. The Platinum Series 6-shooter manhole cutter is an advanced machine used in agriculture and infrastructure for cutting and removing manhole covers. It features 6 cutting blades that ensure fast, precise cuts through concrete or asphalt. This machine enhances efficiency in maintenance work, reducing manual labor, and allowing for safe and easy access to underground systems for repairs or inspections. Finning Caterpillar provides high-performance machinery for agriculture, including tractors, excavators, and loaders. These machines are built for heavy-duty tasks like soil preparation, land clearing, and material handling, improving efficiency and productivity on farms with durable, reliable equipment. The HS8300 HD rope hydraulic crane is a heavy-duty crane designed for lifting and handling large materials in agriculture and construction. With a powerful hydraulic system and rope-based lifting, it provides excellent stability and precision. This crane is ideal for tasks like moving heavy loads, clearing land, and supporting farm infrastructure, ensuring efficient and safe operations. The Panther T14 or Prinith is a high-performance, all-terrain vehicle designed for agriculture and land management. Equipped with robust rubber tracks, it efficiently navigates difficult terrains, making it ideal for tasks like land clearing, moving materials, and forestry work. Its powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system provide excellent stability and maneuverability, enhancing productivity in rugged farm environments. The MWR from Mechalak is a versatile wheeled excavator used in agriculture for a variety of tasks, including digging, lifting, and material handling. Its compact design and powerful hydraulics make it ideal for working in tight spaces and rough terrain. The MWR is highly maneuverable, improving efficiency in operations such as soil preparation, land clearing, and farm infrastructure development. The amphibious dredger Clentech Infra is a specialized machine used for clearing water bodies and marshy lands. It efficiently removes sediments and debris from water and wetland areas, making it ideal for land reclamation, flood control, and improving agricultural water management. Plastic roads are an innovative solution in agriculture and construction, using recycled plastic waste mixed with bitumen to create durable, eco-friendly road surfaces. These roads provide better resistance to weather, reduce maintenance costs, and promote sustainable farming infrastructure development. The SNPC Private Limited BMM 310 is a robust machine used in agriculture for land preparation. It is designed for soil compaction, leveling, and ensuring uniformity in the field. By optimizing soil structure, it improves water retention and promotes better crop growth. The BMM 310 is essential for efficient farming operations, enhancing productivity and ensuring high-quality crop yield.